What is up, everybody? How's it going? Alright, so I got the grill mostly clean, mostly prepped. So these are the items that I need to fix, other than these two plastic broken clips right here. These are actually supposed to be on the back of this centerpiece. As you can see, that piece actually goes right here. And then these clips actually clip right here in these little rectangular spots. And they're actually supposed to be mounted to the back of this plate. So I got to fix that. I got to do a little bit more cleaning on some of this stuff. As you can see, it's still a little dirty. But I got the emblem out and everything. This bracket, I'm not going to paint this metal bracket. I'm just going to leave it black. Nobody's going to see it anyways. What I'm thinking on doing is I think all the chrome on the outside, including the bottom strip right there, I'm going to do black. All of the black section, I'm just going to paint in that bronze. The centerpiece, I'm thinking the center chrome section, I'm going to paint in this satin hunt club green. And then the emblem, I'm going to paint probably this satin clear wine or the cranberry, not sure yet. And then what I'm thinking is I have a bright red paint out in the supply barn, and I'm thinking of doing blood red splatter across it, across the green that I paint here, across the emblem, and across the bronze and the black. So kind of like a blood splatter that's going this way sideways, kind of at a 45-degree angle. Is what I'm thinking. But got a little bit more prep to do. You can see that it's still kind of hazy, this chrome. And this is just like chrome paper that they wrapped and glued. If it falls apart, it falls apart. You know, it's just me experimenting with a grill. Grill's already messed up. If I can't repair it to the point that it will stay on the truck, it's not a big deal. It was only hanging off the top up here. It was actually only attached up here. This piece was actually broke away from the bottom. So, and these metal brackets right here, I need to repair these guys. And see if I can get them glued back on the bottom of the grill. If not, I'll figure a way to support the bracket. But these are the ideas I got. If you guys got other ideas, I do know that this center emblem, whatever color this center emblem is, the V8 emblem is going to be the same color. So the back of this centerpiece right here, these actually go right here. I actually put some marking right here. So they actually sit like that. They're supposed to be like this. That's where they're supposed to be. And they broke off. And there's little tiny JIS screws that you put through the back right here. And they screw into these little spots right here. So this was basically just barely being held on by this screw, because this tab is the only one that's not broken, is this one right here. These other three are actually kind of broken. But I'll do the best I can. I can always probably just glue these back on and then glue these brackets in these slots. That's what I'm thinking of. But you guys let me know what you guys think. I'm going to continue working on this. My wife's making blueberry pancakes, and we're going to be putting fruit on top of them and folding them like tacos, you know, pancake tacos. But that's it. That's all I got for you guys today. Just a quick little video on what I am doing. Move these brackets back down here. You know, if I have to buy a brand new grill, not a big deal. Brand new grill would end up being probably easier to paint anyways. But, you know, if it doesn't work, it doesn't work. Just replace it. But, you know, we're going to give it a shot. See if we can repair it enough to be able to stay on the truck for a little bit. gonna slap some paint on it, call it a day. Doesn't gotta be perfect. It doesn't have to match the truck either. So, appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video.